Hey guys, Technomentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the manufacturing date for your iPhone on the latest iOS 15 series. Now, this information can be easily found starting with the iPhone 15 series, and we might see it on the older iPhone as they update the software. So let's show you how that's done. So on your iPhone 15 series, all you do is simply open up the setting app. And once you open up your setting app, you simply want to go to General and then go to About page. And then scroll all the way down here under the battery section where it says manufacture date, and it is listed right there. So you can assume that the battery manufacturing date is the same date as the iPhone was manufactured here. As you can see here, this one manufactured in July of 2023. So that's how you can check it out on the latest iPhone 15 series. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.